Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to see third term, the first chapter number system, exercise 1.2. This is the first sum. Here in this exercise, so addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay. So here the first sum is add by using grid 0.51 plus 0.25. So this add by using grid. So here see this is a grid, consider this grid. So here the 10 rows and 10 columns are there. 10 rows in this grid, 10 rows and 10 columns. Okay. So 10 rows, 10 columns means say 10 tens are 100. So totally how many square boxes there? So 100 square boxes. Okay. So see how to use this grid to add. Okay. Okay. See, you know that. So 0.51 minutes we can write 51 by 100. Okay. 51 by out of 100, that is a 51. Okay. Okay. Then 0.25. What do you write out of 0.25 means out of 100. 25, isn't it? So, see, 25 by 100. Okay. So, here, out of 100, here 51 parts. Am I correct, children? Okay. So, here you have to shade. First, you have to shade for 51 boxes. 51 boxes. Okay. Out of 100, you have to shade 51 boxes. Okay. So, how do you shade that 51? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, this 5 columns occupied 50. The 5 columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 columns occupied 50 boxes. Okay. So, you have to share this 50 boxes. See, like this. Okay. So, this is 50 boxes shaded. Okay. Okay. Now you have 51. So, one more. You have to shade 1. Okay. So, totally the shaded boxes 51. 51 out of 100. Okay. Understand, children? Good. Okay. Then we see next we have to shade for this 25 by 100. Out of 100 here 25 are shaded. Okay. Want to shade 25. Okay. So, 25 means 2 columns and 5. Am I correct, children? Good. See here 1 less. So, remaining is 9. Okay. 9 and 1 more. Then you have to add here 7. Okay. So, see here you shade here this type shade. So, this is the 9 boxes. 9 boxes. Then this is the 10. This row occupied 10 boxes. Okay. So, this is 10. So, totally 19. Remaining 6. You have to shade remaining 6. Okay. So, see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6. Okay. Okay. See here. Now, so first we shaded for 51 out of 100. Okay. Okay. So here the next we have to shade 25 out of 100. Okay. Okay. So now see totally how much shaded. Okay. So you have to add this shaded part. So if you add this shaded part, that is the sum. Okay. Total. Okay. Okay. Now see here. Therefore 0.51 plus 0.25, that is equal to here. So totally 76 are we shaded. Am I correct, children? So 0.76. 0.76. So you know that now 51 by 100 plus 25 by 100. That is equal to 76 by 100. So 76 by 100 means 0.76. Okay. So out of 100, we shaded totally 76 boxes. Okay, ma? So 76 by 100. So that is equal to 0.76. Understand, children? Good. Children, we see exercise 1.2, second sum. Add the following by using place value grid. Place value grid. What is the decimal number? First column you have to mention the decimal number. Decimal number. Okay. So what is the given decimal number? The first one is 25.8. The second number is 18.53. Here in the second number, 2 decimal places is there. So here in first number you have to add 1 0 in that 100th decimal place. Okay? Okay. Now see here in whole place 2 digits is there. 2 places. In whole place 2 places. So this is ones, this is a tens. Okay. So start from here tens. Tens. This is ones place. Next, in decimal places, the maximum is 2 decimal places is there. Okay. So the first one is 10th place. What is that? 10th place. The second one is 100th place. So 100th. 100th place. Understand, children? So to draw the place value grid. Okay. So now see in first number, which is the tens place, 2 is the tens place. Okay. Yeah, ones place is 5. Okay. Then in decimal places, your 10th place is 8. 100th place is 0. Okay. Now here 18.53. Here the 18 is the whole part. In whole part, 1 is the tens place. So 1, 8 is the ones place. Okay. In decimal place, the 10th place is in 5. The 100th place is in 3. So you have to write here 3. Okay. Now add this. So here see, this is 3. Okay. 0 plus 3 is 3. Here 13. Am I correct, children? So here 13. So write here 3. Okay. So remaining one you have to add here. Okay. So 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Remaining one you add in this place. So what comes here? 4. Okay. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here already 1 is the remaining. So 4. Okay. Here see what comes here. So 44.33. 44.33. Okay. So what is the sum? So what is given? 25.80 plus 18.53. What is the answer? Solution of this sum? The solution is 44.33. That is the answer. Understand, children? Understand, children, how to add this by using place value grid? Good. Okay. Now see the second sum. In that second topic, second sum, 17.4 plus 23.435. 435. Okay. Here the whole part is both numbers have two places only. In decimal part there are 3 digits. Okay. Understand, children? So totally we need 5. Okay. So first you mention the decimal number. What is given the decimal number? What is given decimal number? See, the first number is 17.4. Okay. Here 3 digits. Decimal digits are 3 digits. Okay. So you mention 0, 0 here. Okay. Okay. Then what is the next number? 23.435. 23.435. Okay. Now see, here in a whole part, the 2 decimal places. Sorry, 2 parts. Okay. So which what is that? So ones place and tens place and ones place. So here you mention tens, your ones. Okay. In decimal point there are 3 places, maximum 3 places. The first one is tenth. The next one is hundredth. The third one is thousandth. Okay. So totally 3 decimal places. Okay. Now how do you write here? See this decimal number. Here in tens place is 1. Ones place 7. Tenth place in decimal part. See here decimal part. The first digit is tenth place. The tenth is 4. Remaining 0, 0. Okay. 100 place 0 and 1000 place also 0. Okay. See here in tens place 2 and ones place is 3. Okay. See the decimal number. Decimal part. Here tenth place is 4 and hundredth place is 3 and thousandth place is 5. Okay. So how to add this? See, raising 0 plus 5. This is a 5. Here 3. Here 4 plus 4 is 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. Here 0 remaining 1 here. So what comes here? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So here how do you write? 40.835. These are the whole part. That is the decimal part. In the decimal part 835. In whole part 40. So 40.835. Okay. So what is the sum now? 17.4 plus 23.435. The solution is, the answer is 40.835. That is the answer. Understand, children? How to add by using place value grid? Good. Children, now see exercise 1.2, third sum. Find the value of 0.46 minus 0.13 by grid model. You have to use a grid. Okay. For the subtraction, you have to use a grid. Okay. This is a grid. Here totally 10 rows and 10 columns. Totally 100 boxes. 100 boxes. Okay. Okay. Now, first you see this. So, what is 0.46? 0.46 is 46 by 100. Okay. Then you know that 0.13 is 13 by 100. Okay. Okay. So, now first you have to shade for this 46. Okay. So 46 out of 100. Okay. So in 100 boxes you have to shade 46. 46. So 46 means 4 columns and 6 boxes. You have to shade. Okay. Fifth column 6 boxes. Okay. Now see. So shade this. So here here 4 columns shaded. So that is 40 boxes are shaded. Remaining 6. See, in 5th column you have to shade 6 boxes. 6. Okay, this is the 6. 6 boxes are shaded. Okay, now see totally 46 boxes are shaded. Okay, now for this 13 out of 100, you have to cross the 13 box in the shaded boxes. Okay, so see 13. So first row, first column fully, that is 10 boxes. Okay. So see, cross this 10 boxes crosses. Remaining 3. So in this 46 shaded boxes, you have to cross 13 boxes. Understand, children? Out of 46, you have to shade 13. Okay, now you have to search. Now you have to count without cross shaded box. Without cross shaded box. That is the difference of for 0.46 and 30. 0.13. Okay. Okay. Now see, count this. See here. This is 10. This is 10. Totally 20. So 20. This one 7. 27. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So, how much remaining remaining shaded boxes without cross? Without cross, remaining shaded boxes are 33 boxes. See, this is 10, here 10, totally 20. 20 plus 7 is 27. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So, the shaded boxes without the is 33. So, this is the difference of 0.46 and 0.13. Understand, children? Okay. Sorry, right? So, 0.46 minus 0.13, that is equal to, so how much? 0.33. Okay, so totally how many boxes remaining? Without cross, 33 shaded boxes. So that is 0.33. So that means 33 shaded boxes are remaining. Okay, so out of 100, 33 shaded boxes are remaining. So out of 100, that means what? See, this is the 33 by 100. Am I correct, children? Okay, so 33 by 100 means 0.33. So what is the answer? So the difference of these two numbers is 0.33. Understand, children? Good. Children, now see exercise 1.2 is the fourth sum. Subtract the following by using place value grid. Place value grid. 6.567 from, subtract 6.56 from 9.237. 9.237. How do you write this? 6.567 from 9.236. That means 9.231 minus 6.567. Understand, children? Okay. So, see here. First you mention this column is decimal number. Decimal number. Okay. Then here whole part one place only is there. Okay. So that is ones place. So you mention here ones. Okay. In decimal places 3 digits are there. Okay. So that is first digit is 10th place. Okay. So 10th. The second place is 100th place. Okay. The third place is 1000th place. 1000th. This is the decimal. Okay. Okay. Now what are the numbers? First you have to write 9.236. Okay. So 9.231. 9.231. Then the second number is 6.567. 6.567. Okay. In ones place here 9. In 10th place 2 and 100th place 3. 1000th place is 1. The second number, second decimal number, the ones place is the whole part. Ones place is 6. In the decimal places, the 10th place is 5. 100th place is 6. And 1000th place is 7. Okay. So now you have to subtract. Okay. So 1 minus 7. Not possible. So you take your 10, 11. Now 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay. So here 12 only. Okay. So 2 is there. You take 10. So it's a 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay. Then here I have only 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay. Here already one gave. So here 8. Okay. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay. So in ones place there are 2. Okay. Then decimal places. So you put the decimal point. In the 10th place is 6. 100th place is 6. And 1000th place is 4. Understand, children? So, see here, what is the answer? 2.664. Okay. So, the solution of this sum is 2.664. Okay. The subtraction of these two numbers is equal to this. Understand, children? How to subtract using place value grade. Understand? Okay. Now, see the second sum. 3 point, that means subtract 3.235 from 7. From 7. So, how do you write that? 7 minus 3.235. Understand, children? Am I correct? Good. Yes. Okay. So, here you mentioned first a decimal number. The first column is decimal number. Okay. Here also see whole part. Here 7 only is there means you consider that is a 7 point. Here 3 decimal places are there. 3 decimal places. So 7 point, you put 3 zeros. In this 3 decimal places, 3 zeros. Okay. Okay. So how many decimal places here? 3 decimal places. Here the whole part is only one part, that is a ones. Okay. So here ones in decimal part. 10th place, the first is 10th, then next 100th, the next decimal place is 1000th, okay? Okay, good. Now write here the decimal number. Which decimal number first you have to write? Yes, the 7, isn't it? So, how do you write 7.000? Why do we put here 3 zeros? Because the next number is 3.235. Here are 3 decimal places. So, here also you just write 000. Okay? Okay. So, the next number is 3.235. Okay? Okay. In what place? 7. Here the decimal places are 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now here in ones place 3. That's a whole part. Ones place is 3. In decimal part, that 10th place 2, 100th place is 3, and 1000th place is 5. Understand, children? Okay. Now you subtract now. So here 10 you can say here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here how much here? 9. Remaining is here 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay. So here how much? Here also 9. Okay. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Am I correct, children? Yes, sir. So here 6 only. Okay. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Understand, children? So in ones place, that is a whole part is 3. In decimal part. So you put the decimal point. 10th place 7, 100th place 6, and 1000th place is 5. Okay. So what is the answer here? The 7 minus 3.235, that is equal to 3.765. That is the answer. Subtraction of these two numbers is equal to 3.765. Understand, children? Good. Children, now we see exercise 1.2, fifth sum. Simplify. So here 23.5 minus 27.89 plus 35.4 minus 17. Okay. So how do you simplify this? So first you take the positive numbers. Okay, which are the positive here? 23.5 and 35.7. So first you add these two numbers. Okay. So see 23.5 plus 35.4. Okay. Okay. First you add this. 5 plus 4 is 9. Point here. 3 plus 5 is 8. Here 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 58.9. Next you take these two negative numbers. Both are negative. So both are same sign means there also you have to add. Okay. So what are the numbers? 27.89 minus 27.89 and minus 17. Here only 17. So you put the decimal places 0, 0. Okay. Now add this. Why here also we have to add? Both are negative. So both are same sign means you have to add. Okay. So here 9. 8 point here. 7 plus 7 is 14. Remaining 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here the same sign. You have to put same sign. Okay? Okay. Now we see. Now what is the next term? See, this is a positive. Okay, here positive sign. This is a negative sign. So 1 is plus and 1 is minus. Okay, so you have to subtract. Okay, 58.9 minus 44.89. Okay, so here only one decimal place. So you add here 100th place is 0. Okay, now subtract this. So what comes here? Subtractions. 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, so here 8 minus 8, 0. Here point. Okay, so here 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so what is the answer? 14.01. 14.01. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, so 23.5 minus 27.89 plus 35.4 minus 17, that is equal to 14.01. 14.01. Understand, children? Good. Okay, now we see here, sixth one. Sulaiman bought 3.350 kg of potato. Then 2.250 kilograms of tomato and some onions. Okay, not given the weight. Okay, some onions. If the weight of the total items are, okay, what are the total items? Potato, tomato and onions. Total weight is 10.250 kilograms. Total weight. Then find the weight of onions. Okay, because here not mentioned the weight of onions. That only you have to find out. Okay, what do you find out now? See what there has come. So weight of onion, isn't it? Weight of onion. Weight of onions, that is equal to total weight of minus total weight of items minus minus of weight of first one what given there? Potato. Weight of potato plus weight of tomato. Understand, children? Okay. See here, this is a total weight. First, you have to add weight of potato and weight of tomato. These two weight. Okay. Then you have to subtract from total weight. These two weights subtract from total weight. You get the weight of onions. Understand, children? Good. So, what is the total weight here? The total weight is 10.250 kilograms. Okay. Now here weight of potato is 3.350 plus the weight of tomato is 2.250 kilograms. Okay. So first you have to add this 2. Okay. So write this one as it is 10.250. Then minus, see here, add this 2, see here in the thousandth place, 0, 0, so 0. Okay, in 100th place, 5 plus 5 is 10, remaining 1. Okay, so here in 10th place, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, point. You add the whole part, this is 1's place, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, understand, children? Okay, so now you have to subtract these two. So what we get? See, 0 minus 0, 0. Then 5 minus 0 is 5. Then here 2 is there. So you have to take 10. So 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Point. Here one give no. So totally here 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. So this is the weight of onions. So the weight of onion is for 4.650 kilograms. Understand, children? How do you find out? Good. Children, now we see exercise 1.2. 7th what should be subtracted from 7.1 to get 0.713? Okay. So here, which number subtracted from this to get this? Okay. So here, unknown number you consider x. Okay. Let unknown number be x. Okay. So that number is x. So x subtracted from 7.1. X is subtracted from 7.1 to get 0.713. How do you write in that equation? See, that is x. See, 7.1 minus x. This is equal to 0.713. See, what should be subtracted? That means that is an unknown. Okay. So that number you consider x. That x is subtracted from 7.1. That means 7.1 minus x to get 0.713. That means the answer is, the difference is 0.713. 0.713. Okay. So now you have to find out the unknown number. Okay. So how do you write now? This minus x you bring it to the left side. Okay. Then this number the minus x bring it to the right side. 0.713 bring it to the left side. Okay. So what comes, see here, 7.1. This positive number move to the left side means that becomes negative. So 7.1 minus 0.713. This is equal to this minus x. This minus x move to the right side means that becomes positive. So this is equal to x. Okay. Now we are going to find out the x value. Okay. So now subtract these two. See here are only one decimal, but here are three decimal places. Okay. So how do you write here? 7.1. So here two decimal places you put 0, 0. Then next 0.713. 713. Understand, children? Okay. Now subtract this. So what comes here? So 10 minus 3 is 7. Here 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Here 10 now. Okay. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Point. You already gave no 1. So here 6. So 6. Okay. So what answer here? 6.387. This is equal to x. That means x is equal to, what is that? Unknown number. X is equal to 6.387. Understand, children? Okay. So 6.387. Subtract 6.387 from 7.1 to get 0.713. Understand, children? Good. Now we see the 8th one. How much is 35.6 kilometer less than the 53.7 kilometer? See, here you have to compare these two. Compare these two. So this is how much is less than this. Okay. So how do you find out that? Just you have to subtract from this. Okay. Okay. So 53.7 minus 35.6. Okay. So the difference is the how much is less than this one to that. Okay. Okay. First we find out the difference of these two numbers. So see here 7 minus 6 is how much? 1. Okay. Then here 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay. So you put your decimal point. Then here 8. Okay. So here only 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. So how much that answer? 18.1. Understand, children? So this is 35.6 is how much less than? 18.1 is less than from this 53.7. Okay? Understand? Okay, this 18.1 kilometer is less than the 53.7. Okay? Hi children. Now we see 9th sum. Exercise 1.2, 9th sum. Agilan purchased a geometry box for rupees 25.75, a pencil for rupees 3.75 and a pen for rupees 17.90. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? Okay, so that is the question. So here the Agilan purchased 3 items. One is geometry box, pencil and a pen. Okay. So he gave to shopkeeper 50 rupees. So how much he get back? That is the question. Okay. How much amount did he get back? Okay. How do you find out that? First you find out the purchased amount. So total purchased amount. Okay. So total purchased amount is total purchased amount. So what are the things he purchased? A geometry box is rupees 25.75. Okay. Then pencil. A pencil purchased for rupees 3.75. Then plus the pen purchased for rupees 17.90. Okay. First you have to add this 3. So you find out the total purchased amount. Okay. See, add this. So here first see here 2 decimal places, here 2 decimal places, here also 2 decimal places. So just you have to add. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0 is 10 only. So 0, remaining is 1. Okay. So now come to the 10th place. So here 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. So 10, 17, 17 plus 7 is 24. Okay. So 24, remaining is 2. So decimal put the decimal point, 2 is the remaining. So add 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus, see here this one's place. 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay. So 7. Remaining 1. Okay. So here 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 47. So rupees 47.40. That means 47 rupees 40 pies. Okay. So here Agilan gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay. So how much returned back? How much did he get back? See, how do you find out that? See, he got back the amount he got back. That is equal to, so he gave how much amount of 50 rupees. Okay, so 50 you consider 50.00 minus rupees. So how much purchased spending money? That is 47.40. 47 rupees 40 paisa. Okay, so how much he get written back? See, you have to subtract this. Okay, so here 0, 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, here how much now? 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay. So here 4 only. 4 minus 4 is 0. So remaining he got back rupees 2.60. That means 2 rupees 60 pies. Okay. So what amount did he get back? So how much did he get back? 2 rupees 60 pies. Understand, children? Good. Now we see the 10th one. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with a side measuring 3.8 centimeter. Okay, you know equilateral triangle means a triangle have 3 sides. Equilateral triangle means the 3 sides are equal. Okay, so if see the 3 sides are equal, you consider this an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means 3 sides are equal. So if you consider this side is A, means this side also A, this side also A. Okay, so equal sides. Okay, so the side A is equal to what is given there? 3.8 centimeter. 3.8 centimeter. So now find out the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. What is the formula of the perimeter? Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So that is, see, actually the perimeter means sum of the all sides. Okay, here the triangle, how many sides is there? 3 sides. All the 3 sides are equal. So the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3a. That means a plus a plus a is sum of all sides. Perimeter means sum of all sides. A plus a plus a is 3a. 3a units. Okay. So now 3 multiple. What is the a value? Your side, one side is 3.8 centimeter. Okay. So now multiply these two. 8 is 24. 2. 3 3 are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 11. So here only one decimal point place. So put the decimal point after one digit. Okay. So 11.4 centimeter. Okay. So therefore the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 11.4 centimeter. Understand, children? Good. Children, now we see exercise 1.2, 11th sum. Objective type questions. Okay. So 1.0 plus 0.83. What is that? It's a whole number. This is a decimal number. Okay, decimal place. Okay. So see here 1 plus 0.83 is 1.83. Am I correct? So this is the third one is the answer, 1.83. Okay. Okay. Or otherwise see the 1.00. Then 0.83. Add this to number 38 here 1.83. So 1.83 is the answer. Third one. Okay. See the 12th one. 7.0 minus 2.83. See 7.00. Here 2.83. Subtract now. See 10 minus 3 is 7. So here 9 minus 8 is 1. Then here 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4.17. Which is that answer? The second one is the answer. Understand, children? Okay. Now see here. Subtract 1.35 from 3.58. So from is given. So first you write the 3.51. Then 1.35. Now subtract this. 11 minus 5 is 6. Then here 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then here 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2.16 is the answer. So which option is the correct? Fourth option. 2.16 is the correct answer. Understand, children? Okay. Now see the 14th sum. Sum of two decimals is 4.78. One of the decimal is 3.21. Then find the other number. Okay. So see here. Sum of the two numbers. The answer is 4.78. Okay. So one number is 3.21. So you consider the other number. Yes. Okay. So how do you find out? X is equal to 4.78 minus 3.21. Am I correct, children? So what is the answer? See, X is equal to 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, point. Here 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so what is the answer? 1.57. So the unknown number, the other number is 1.57. Okay, the first answer is the correct one. So now we see the 15th one. The difference of two decimals is 86.58 and one of the decimal is 42.31. Find the other one. Okay, so what is given here? The result one is 86.58. Okay, the one number is 42.31. So definitely this is a smaller number. So we write smaller number is the second, 42.31. Then your unknown number you consider x. Okay, so x minus 42.31 to get 86.51. Okay, so x is equal to 86.58 plus this minus 42.31 move to the right side, that becomes positive. So 42.31. Now add these two numbers. So what we get? 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. Point. Here 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay. So 128.89. See which option is the correct one. The first one is 128.89. So this is the correct one. Understand, children? How do you do this? Okay. Good. Thank you.